Hey. Welcome back to the channel of Lovey-Doree. Today I have decided to film my night out preparation. Having said that, I'm actually going to a house party.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited because I haven't been to a house party since being at uni. Since my youth, essentially. It is approximately 5:30 in the evening. Now, this is typically the sort of time I start to get ready if I want to leave the house by 11 p.m. Now, I don't like to rush through the preparation. I like to take it nice and slow. In my opinion, the preparation is actually more fun than the party itself. Am I right or am I right? It often involves tea. However, I'm not gonna have a cup of tea because I've already had 2 lots of tea and a coffee, pretty wired, and I'm gonna drink alcohol, so we don't need any more caffeine. What I do need to do, however, is start with a clean slate. So I'm gonna remove the makeup that is already on my face. I've had a shower this morning, so don't need to get back in there. It's all about the makeup, really. I like to go all out with my makeup for a night out, in case you guys didn't know. It's the one chance you can just slay. So yes, I'm gonna go and do that and I'll be right back. So I'm back, the makeup is off, the face is bare, the kimono is on, and the light is also on because it's getting dark, it's coming up to winter, and guys, it's so awkward trying to get ready for a night out when there's no daylight. We are gonna go ahead and get started with the maquillage. But first, good to go.
I can make you famous. Yo, if you jump on the mic and I make the beat, you waking up the
I always have to do my eyes first because we don't want the colour to drop on our fresh foundation, you know what I mean?
Baby girl, you listen. You've been trying to give me that I roll. Notice you the only thing I'm on.
Having a hot flush. It's so beautiful.
Get my cousin every day. Run my mama straight. I'ma be grateful every day. It's my Lord above. Watching the blessings fall on me. Just a broke for me. What you want from me? Kevin Hart, little nigga.
You would talk to me.
Yeah. Fuck on my face.
You can't relate.
Fuck on my face. Ain't no way you can relate. You broke for me. Hey, way too close to me. You gotta hit the blood and talk to me. Yeah, fuck on my face.
You can't relate.
Fuck on my face.
Ain't no way you can relate.
Fuck my face, you can't be late. Fuck my face, I'm fucking your bitch. You fucking my face, I love that shit.
Wow.
Fuck my face, I'm too rich. Fuck my face, I'm a gang bigger bitch. I need a bitch like Marilyn Monroe. I tell her, fuck it up, 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 fuck it up.
This is a bit explicit.
I give her my no business.
Alright, so as you can see, the blending is key. I swear you need to do this for like 500 years because you want to be looking fine. As you can see, I have the lid colour on now. Going for a real purple because a bitch I'm royalty.
Remember me. Oh, remember me. Take a way back, Lil Jon energy.
Where is it?
Pockets real fat, cash real tenner key. Fight a blunt. It'll die off. Yeah. Ride off. Bitches ride.
Okay, so the eyes are done. Well, they're not done, but this is what I'm gonna leave them as for now, whilst I go and eat. So the next thing you want to do is you want to eat, because if you don't eat, you will die. So I'm cooking up a healthy bowl of noodles. Instant noodles with some vegetables thrown in there, some peas, some sweet corn. Gonna pop an egg in there as well, just for a bit of protein. Yeah. So like I tend to do this halfway through my makeup because then we're sort of halfway through the whole process and I have time to digest my food and then start drinking as well. So let me show you guys what I'm going to start off with. pretty steamy. Steaming, that's how I'm gonna be later on. Okay, so our digestive system is prepped and the alcohol is being opened.
iPhone ring, just I come from the Oxford Street. It's just me that drink, no run with me. If you bought it, let me see a light.
I'm trying to be like those girls on Instagram.
She said she half Chinese. Me sit the heady like we never was over. See the enemy, he look for me soldier. They want to see the friend named Super Soaker. It sing like freedom,
Cause they don't have a cure for all my pain. AKA it's not nice and I live up to my name.
So I switched position because
So boy, you insane.
it was just easier.
drip, drip, hella glass up on her lip. Zoom zip, yeah, we put up in a whip. Yeah, you know what the deal is. Call me on my phone, I'm in the zone. I said to leave me alone, get out my head. I don't know what you said.
I'm trying to get to the bread.
Run up a check.
What?
Got a new tech. You don't wanna test, don't you forget.
Eh?
Don't never forget.
I've honestly been doing this for like 15 minutes now. The thing is, you want everything to be blended. You don't want there to be no harsh lines. Let me tell you, it's not a cute look. Like just blending to infinity and beyond here. To be honest, we do. No. Yes. No. Face is looking pretty good now. So I just need to touch up my eyes. I'm gonna bring the shadow to the, what's this bit called? The lower lash line. The lower lash line. That's it. Let me turn this shit down for a second. Wow. Yes, I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and then I think that's it. Like, I think that's it. This is the finished look. I really like it. Before I put some, sorry, I can't speak. Before I apply any lip products, I'm just gonna set everything with the NYX Dewy Finish long lasting setting spray. Where the oh, someone's texting me! Whew. Okay. Now it's time for the outfit. Okay, I thought I had a plan of what I was doing, but I don't know if this is gonna work. I mean, obviously this and this looks fine together, but with the shirt, bloody hell. Because of the whole neckline situation, I feel as if they might be a bit too contrasting. We shall see. Let's put it on. Okay. I guess it kind of works. Like, I just really want to wear it. I don't have another black crop top that would look good. That is a lie. I have something that I think will fix the situation. Why are you watching me getting changed? I think this looks better because there's a bit of cheeky side boob. Oh, yes! Oh. See, part of the process is, you know, playing around with different things. It might not be set in stone. You might have a clear idea of what you want, and then you try it and you're like, actually, I need to tweak some things. So we did that, and now we're gonna fix this mane of mine. Oh my days. I'm actually not drunk yet. Bubloy, ven pa' acá
Oye mami,
¿qué es lo que tú dices?
tu primer finda,
¿Qué es lo que tú dices?
deja tu aceite.
¿Qué es lo que tú dices? A mí no me venga con tu codice.
Oye mami,
¿Qué es lo que tú dices?
tu primer finda,
¿Qué es lo que tú dices?
deja tu aceite.
¿Qué es lo que tú dices? A mí.
Okay, so now we're gonna prep the bag, the chosen bag. We've got phone, we've got purse, we've got Carmex, we've got eyeliner, we've got lip gloss. That's all going in there. And then alcohol is gonna go in a plastic bag. Now, there is one very important thing that we have to do before we leave. You guessed it. It's selfie time. Oh, it's blinding my eyes. Let's see how this turns out. And finally, the room should be left in a complete state. And I'm gonna come back later and regret it, but that's just what it is. We're gonna leave now. I hate everything.